Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel, where we dive into the latest and greatest products that'll take your gaming, design, and daily work to the next level. Today, I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on review of the Koorui 27-inch 1440p monitor. Now, before we get started, let me tell you why this monitor caught my attention in the first place. With a whopping 4.4-star rating and over 3,500 reviews, it's clear that this monitor has been putting up an impressive performance for gamers, designers, and everyday users alike. And trust me, I'm eager to dive into what makes it tick. First off, let's talk about the visual performance of this monitor. With a QHD 2560x 1440p resolution, you're getting a whopping 1440 pixels per inch. That means sharper images and more detailed textures than you'd find on most other monitors at this size. Whether you're gaming or watching high-definition videos, the clarity is simply stunning. But what really sets this monitor apart is its refresh rate of 200 Hz and response time of just 1 millisecond. That means smooth motion, reduced ghosting, and an overall more immersive experience, perfect for fast-paced competitive gaming. Imagine being able to see every detail, every blink of an eye, and every punch thrown on the screen without any stutter or lag. Now, let's talk about color performance. With a Fast IPS panel, you're getting wider viewing angles and more accurate colors than most monitors at this price point. That means no matter where you sit, the image remains vibrant and true to life, ideal for graphic design work, video editing, or just watching your favorite shows. But that's not all. HDR400 technology takes it up another notch by enhancing brightness and contrast. This means dark areas are more detailed, bright areas are more vivid, and overall, the visual effect is more realistic than ever before. Now, I know what you're thinking, what about gaming? Well, this monitor has got you covered there too. With adaptive sync technology, screen tearing is a thing of the past, ensuring a seamless experience that'll keep you glued to your screen for hours on end. And the design? It's sleek and versatile, with a G2722P stand that's adjustable in height, tilt, and rotation. This means you can customize the monitor to fit your unique sitting posture and usage needs, making it perfect for long hours of work or gaming sessions. But what really sets Koorui apart is their commitment to customer support. With 1-year coverage for the display screen and 3 years for other accessories, you know that if anything goes wrong, they've got you covered. So, how does all this translate to real-world performance? Well, I can tell you that this monitor has exceeded my expectations in every way. The visuals are stunning, the gaming performance is lightning fast, and the design is both functional and stylish. If you're in the market for a new monitor that'll take your tech to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the Koorui 27-inch 1440p. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. You can find it at Home Monitor. Visit the store right now. Thanks for joining me on this review, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more product reviews like this one.